Hi everyone, welcome to an update from the remote development workstream. So today I want to walk you through a feature that Honar and I have been working on related to adding the ability to interact with workspaces using the CLI. And this has really stemmed from from customers who have asked us to be able to automate tasks that are standard with workspaces, so the ability to create and list workspaces and things like that. So now what we've done is we've added so now with the GLab CLI, you can go ahead and look at the workspaces option, which is now available. So I can also say GLab workspace help, and that will show me the operations that are possible with workspaces. So I'm going to go ahead and list a set of my workspaces that are already there in my organization. So I can do that by saying glab workspace list and then provide the group. And as you can see, I can see a list of my workspaces in various statuses, the editor being used, and the URL, if any. I can also go ahead and create a workspace from the CLI. I'm just going to go to that command, and you can see that I'm creating a workspace, providing it an editor, the agent, which specifies the Kubernetes cluster where this can be provisioned, and of course the dev file, which specifies the shape of my cluster. And this is essentially locally reading a dev file. So I go ahead and run that. You can see that the workspace is now in creation requested. So while that's happening, I'm going to quickly show you another aspect of this. So we can actually view a single workspace by saying, excuse me. So you can just run the view command and specify the workspace ID just to see details about that workspace. So I'm going to provide the workspace ID, which is 17, and you can see now it's in a starting state. Now, if I were to go to UI and see that, you see that it's in the starting state here as well. So going back, I'm just going to wait for it to become running. And now the workspace is running. So now it's a running state, we can actually visit the workspace. So I can go to the URL. And as you see, if I go to the URL, you can see I have access to a running VS Code instance. So that's it for the core aspect of the demo. I just to add here, we've added the ability now from the CLI to be able to request for a GraphQL client. So now you have access to a strongly typed GraphQL client as a part of this MR as well, that you can use to call the GraphQL APIs that we offer. And then that gives you the ability to write strongly typed GraphQL queries like this query here, which queries on group and fetches workspaces. Also, you can do mutations, so making changes using a mutation query like this. That's it for today. Thank you.